In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install Epson L1300 printer driver in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to open your Google Chrome. The moment you have opened it, please type for Epson L1300 printer driver and click on the enter key in your keyboard, and in that way you'll be able to see a list of results. So please proceed to the first one under epson.com.ph. Click on it. The moment you click on it, you would be redirected to a new window where you will be able to get to see this printer driver. So from that, you need to scroll down and wait until you can see a drop down menu below where you can manually select the operating system. Okay, so once it's here, click on this down arrow key and choose for Windows 11 and click on Go. And the moment you've clicked on it, this page will be refreshed again. Okay, please wait until you can select the driver here below. So we just have to wait again until we can see the list of the option where you can download the printer driver. Okay, so once here, please click on drivers. And then you need to scroll down and proceed to the printer driver and click on download. So click on it and it will create a new tab where here it will ask you to agree on the license agreement. Just click on accept to continue downloading. In my case, I have already downloaded this one, but in your case, if you haven't yet, then download it. So once completed, please navigate to the three dots, click on it, proceed to the downloads to see your downloads history, where here you would be able to see the downloaded file. Okay, so by that you just have to navigate to this folder icon to show it into the location where it is being placed to or saved to. The next step that you need to do is you need to copy it. So by that, make a right click and click on the cat icon. Once done, close the windows being opened. Okay, and here at the desktop, please make a right click here and click on paste. Now, once you have successfully moved the file here, you need to double tap to extract or unzip the file, or either make a right click and use your WinRAR tool or application to extract this one. Now go with extract to L1300 and kindly wait until a new file folder would be created. That would mean that we have successfully extracted it. Once here, we will now proceed to the installation. But before we proceed, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorial. We would really appreciate your support. So here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. Okay, so here at the settings, directly proceed to the left pane and locate for Bluetooth and devices. Click on it. The moment you click on it, directly continue to printers and scanners. And there you can see an option called Add Device. Click on it and wait until you can see or show up another option where you can manually add a printer driver. Once it's here, click on Add Manually. And by that, please choose for add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on next. Click on this down arrow key and use among of these three USB ports. It could be one, two, or three. Click on next. Click on have disk and you need to go with browse. And since our extracted file has been saved at the desktop, then we need to navigate there. So by that, you need to proceed to the left pane, go with that, and then scroll down and proceed to this one. So double tap here and double tapped and then double tapped until you can see the driver. Select it, click on open and click on the OK button. So it will be placed here, go with next and try to rename that. In my case, I'll be renaming it and leave this Epson L1300 as the printer name. Once set, you can now click on next and it will now start the installation. Please wait until this would be done. Okay, so once done, click on next and click on finished, and there you have it. You have just successfully installed the Epson L1300 printer driver in your Windows 11. Now, if you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.